Today I'm going to show you how to make easy DIY snowman ornaments in just 5 minutes. This snowman ornament craft is perfect for adults and easy enough for kids too. These make super cute gifts for family members, friends, teachers, and more. Start with a white newborn baby sock. Then you'll take 2 foam balls and place them inside the sock. The sizes of the balls are 2 inches and 1.5 inches in diameter. Twist the top of the sock around a couple times, then pull it down to make a hat. Tie a piece of string or baker's twine in between the 2 balls to form the snowman's body. Cut a strip of red felt to make a scarf. Use scissors to cut fringe at both ends of the scarf. Wrap the scarf around your snowman where you would like it, and then use hot glue or tacky glue to hold in place. Now it's time to make the snowman's eyes and mouth. You'll need 3 straight pins, an orange Sharpie, and a black Sharpie. Use the orange Sharpie to completely color in the head of the pin. If you already have orange and black pins, then that's perfect. You can skip the Sharpie step. But I had different colors, so I had to color them in with a permanent marker. Now it's time to make the eyes. You'll need 2 straight pins, and you're going to color the top of the pins with a black Sharpie, just like you did with the orange one. Place the pins where you'd like the eyes and nose on your snowman face. Now we're going to add a pom-pom to the snowman's hat to finish it off. Use tacky glue or hot glue to attach the pom-pom to the hat. Now it's time to add the ornament hook. All I did was place the hook in the back of the hat, and it held in place perfectly. These DIY snowman ornaments end up being so cute, and they're so easy to make. Another great thing about this Christmas craft is that it's easy enough for adults and kids to make. Kids to make them for teachers, grandparents, parents, or anyone else. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.